Hey everyone, I'm gonna give you a quick house tour and update on where we're at with remodeling. Okay, so the house has not been basically cleaned or updated since it was built in '76. They'd added some carpet, but I really don't think they did much else. So we're redoing everything. So ripping out, this is the living room, of course. We're ripping out all the flooring, all the carpet. And then we also scraped the popcorn ceiling down, remudded. We're going to paint the entire room and obviously put in completely new flooring. And then we'll also paint the trim. Gonna do a different railing there for the stairs. Haven't got that yet though. We opened up this doorway quite a bit. It was a lot smaller. We opened it up so we could have some more room going in and out. Then this was like a dining room area. Obviously gonna get rid of the light. We're basically gonna do vinyl flooring throughout the whole entire upstairs. It kind of just makes it easier. That way we can clean a lot easier, and it's cheaper for now until we get some more money saved up to do something different if we want to in the end. Appliances will be the last thing we update just because they're going to be the most expensive. So we're going to do that last. Either it might be right away, it might be a few months away. We're not sure yet. We're still getting into how much money we're going to have spent, but we got a pretty good view back here. Nice deck. We're going to eventually power wash it and paint it. And the sliding doors, not really sure what we're going to do with them yet, but my mom had these handles off here and cleaned them completely because they were covered. Like there was like literally shit she scraped off of it. And then there were soffits up here. We removed those and re-sheetrocked, then we're going to have to mud tape. We hung some can lights. We got, those aren't the lights that are gonna be in a permanent, but those are gonna work for now until we get painted. We're gonna spray the cabinets, completely paint those. And then I got the cabinet doors in the garage and stuff. We'll get new hinges, new handles, new countertops, new sink, new faucets, new outlets, new light switches. It's gonna be completely different. There was another cabinet here you can see on the floor. We actually cut that off, cut the countertop off. Of course, the countertop doesn't matter because we're getting rid of it anyways. Probably just gonna go with a laminate countertop for now, just for cost-wise. Doorbell up there, that's gonna be going. The chandelier, that's gonna be going. Front door, again, that's probably there with the appliances a few months down the road, but it will be going. It's old and outdated, needs gone. We're basically gonna primer all the walls just to kind of get the smell out of here. It stinks a little bit like cat piss and smoke. So we're gonna get rid of all that smell. That's why we're redoing everything. Here's one of the bedrooms. It's already been mudded and taped. This one's actually ready for paint. So that's why all the trim's on the floor. It's ready for paint and flooring. It's a 4-bedroom house, so got a lot of paint and a lot of flooring to do. This is the master. Got a big closet there. This one's also ready for paint. Mud and taped. Of course, our bed will probably be over there and whatnot. Let's see, here's the bathroom. Oh man, it does not smell very good. I'll turn that off, but shower, probably not gonna replace right away. It's probably with the appliances in the front door, but we got a new vanity, got a new toilet. We have to get a mirror and stuff, then we're gonna have to paint and whatnot. And then here's another bedroom. It's not quite ready for paint, but it will be soon. So we're gonna, it's already mud taped. They just haven't got it all cleared out yet, but they'll be painting it here soon, and the same vinyl flooring that every other room's getting. Then also I got 2 installed before we move in. Probably do it once everything's painted. We got a Ring security system. I got it through my work. I get points through my work, so I got it for free basically. And then we also got, so that basically gave us cameras, whatnot, all that stuff. And then it gives us but also like as soon as it's activated, the alarm goes off, it calls the cops or whatnot. Anyways, here's the basement. We're going to be, there was paneling down there. There's still paneling in that room. We're going to paint it. Some of the sheetrock we have to replace. It over there you can see it got a little moldy. So we're going to cut it out, replace it, and go from there. So this is our job right now, ripping off all the paneling, going to, there's sheetrock behind it, so we're just gonna paint and whatnot. And then the bathroom down here is pretty gross. We got to, it was very moldy. So we got the paneling ripped off for now. Got a vanity that's gonna go over there. New toilet. Shower probably will change at some point. And then just the washer and dryer in here for now. But so I will keep you guys updated as we get more done. I wish I would have had a little bit more before and after. I didn't get a video before they started tearing things apart. Stuff like that. But then we got all the cabinet shelves and stuff in there. Toilets in there. So it's gonna be a lot different here before long, and hope to keep you guys updated and give you guys a pretty sweet remodel video.